Hi friends, Miss Joan here and
Miss Elizabeth.
we hope you guys are doing well. We wanted to show you a really cute snack today. So this is what our snack is going to look like. I'm going to bring this down. When we are all done, we are making a pig. And this is for either the Three Little Pigs. This is also a great snack to make when we're talking about farm. So let's see. Before you start, you need to know what ingredients we have and make sure it's all ready. So we are going to need a waffle. We are going to need some delicious pink icing. We are going to need a banana and some chocolate chips. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the frosting and we are going to put it onto the waffle. So let's see. We're going to put it on the waffle, spread it all over. Who doesn't like pink icing, right? All right, so now it is iced. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our banana and we're going to open it up. And we're going to take just the top half of the banana and we're going to cut it. There we go. And now we're going to cut it again. And this is going to be the ears. So we're going to put our ears on. One ear. Slippery. Two ears. So now we have the icing and the two ears, and we need the pig nose. So we're just going to make one cut. See, it made a nice round circle, and that is going to be the pig's nose. Now you have a job to do. You have to count out 4 little mini chips. 2 of them are going to be the pig's nostrils. 1, 2. The other 2 are going to be the pig eyes. 1, 2. And voila, we have a delicious pig snack. Now, all you have to do is eat it and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed the video and we hope you enjoy this delicious snack. Bye, friends.